Hi guys, I'm back with another video. I'm going to be flying the 777 Emirates. I'm just going to be taking off video because I can't do the whole flight right now. So yeah, just going to take it off. So here's a plane. This is it. Have a nice flight. That's what it says. Okay. Okay, I'm going to be showing you. Let me show you the plane first. So it's a 777. It's got a nice point front. Just going to be taking it off in the cinematics. I'm going to be taking off to Sri Lanka from Dubai, UAE capital. I'm going to do a cockpit takeoff. I'm going to put the gear up. That's it for today's video. See you later guys, and this was the Emirates 777 takeoff. See you later guys, like and subscribe. Bye.